armor suit screen protector for the Galaxy S7. You do get a lifetime warranty with this, which is nice. Let's go ahead and pop it out. Little spray bottle, microfiber, a squeegee, which is nice to get the air bubbles out. Let's take a look at the actual protector. Alright, so here's the screen protector. Looks kind of glossy, but once it sticks and cures, it should be fine. So the best way to install this is to first clean your screen. Let's get the screen protector. You get the spray bottle and just spray a super fine mist. Just gonna line it up on the phone. The nice thing about the S7 is that because it is a water resistant phone, you don't have to worry too much about getting the spray. So once it's set, go ahead and start squeezing out the water and the air bubbles with the squeegee. And as you do that, it's going to adhere to the screen on the phone, so it's getting a little harder to move. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it and get the rest of it out. Alright, and here it is installed. You'll notice right here it just needs to stick a little bit right next to the button, but when I push it down, it does stick. So within about 12 hours, this should cure completely and you won't see any of that lifting. But the nice part about this screen protector is that it is going complete edge to edge. So with the S7, there's still a curve right here at the end, which makes it really hard to fit a tempered glass screen protector, which is why in 2 of my other videos you saw just the problems manufacturers are having with it. But you'll see right here, as I'm pushing down, it sticks. So again, this will stick completely when it cures, and you actually do have complete edge-to-edge protection, but it is not tempered glass. So that is the Armor Suit screen protector for the Galaxy S7.